Storm's Tech Channel here, and today I'm doing a video about the iPhone 15 Pro Max for Verizon Prepaid. So the iPhone 15 Pro Max is currently out of stock at Verizon Prepaid as I'm recording this video here, so that sucks ass. So you guys will have the full color options: white titanium, black titanium, natural titanium, or blue titanium color options. Like I said, they're all out of stock as I'm recording this video here. You guys will have 3 storage options: 256 gigs, $1199.99. 512 gigs, $1399.99. 1 terabyte, $1599.99. Alright. So yeah, this is the iPhone 15 Pro Max. You guys got your code out there for your dynamic island. Power button on the right side of the phone. Volume keys on the left side of the phone, along with your action button that is new to the iPhone 15 Pro and 15 Pro Max. Triple camera system down the back, camera flash Apple logo. And it looks like they're going to let us see some photos of the iPhone 15 Pro Max. So, pretty cool there. There's the front of the phone, like I just said. Your code out there for your dynamic island. Power button on the right side of the phone. The volume keys on the left side of the phone, along with your action button. There's the back of the phone there. Power button on the right side of the phone there. There's a closer look at the cameras there. You guys have a bit of a camera bump, so keep that in mind. And then there's a more of a closer look at the triple camera system down the back, camera flash. There it is in the 4 colors. And there are some accessories for the iPhone 15 Pro Max, like the MagSafe charger, cases, wallets, and whatnot. So pretty cool there. So the iPhone 15 Pro Max is 3.02 inches in width, 6.29 inches in height, 12 megapixel ultra wide, f2.2 aperture, and 120 degrees field of view, 100% focus pixel camera, up to 95 hours of usage time, which is interesting. iPhone 15 Pro Max forged in titanium and featuring the groundbreaking A17 Pro chip, a customizable action button, and the most powerful iPhone camera system ever. Forged in titanium, that's new for the iPhone 15 Pro and 15 Pro Max, which is pretty cool. iPhone 15 Pro Max has a strong and light aerospace grade titanium design with a textured molded glass back. It also features a ceramic shield front that's tougher than any smartphone glass. Apple says that shit every fucking year. And it's splash water and dust resistant. Advanced display. The 6.7-inch Super Retina XDR display with permission ramp ups refresh rate to 120Hz when you need exceptional graphics performance. Dynamic Island bubbles up alerts and live activities. Plus, with always on display, your lock screen stays glanceable, so you don't have to tap it to stay in the know. Game-changing A17 Pro chip. A pro-class GPU makes mobile games feel so immersive with rich environments and realistic characters. A17 Pro chip is also incredibly efficient and helps to deliver amazing all-day battery life. Powerful pro camera system. Get incredible framing and flexibility with 7 Pro lenses. Capture super high resolution photos with more color and detail using the 48 megapixel main camera, and take sharper close-ups from far away with the 5x telephoto camera on iPhone 15 Pro Max. Customizable action button that is new to the iPhone 15 Pro and iPhone 15 Pro Max. It replaces the alert button on the iPhone, but you can customize it to whatever you guys want. So that's pretty cool. It says action button is a fast track to your favorite feature to set to one you want, like silent mode, camera, voice memo, shortcut, and more. Then press and hold to launch the action. Fair enough. Pro connectivity. The new USB-C connector lets you charge your Mac or iPad with the same cable you use to charge your iPhone 15 Pro Max. with USB 3. You get a huge leap in data transfer speeds, and you can download files up to 2 times faster using Wi-Fi 6E. Vital safety features. This is very nice to have. It says if your car breaks down when you're off the grid, you can get help with roadside assistance via satellite. And if you need emergency services and you don't have cell service or Wi-Fi, you can use emergency SOS via satellite. With crash detection, the iPhone can detect a severe car crash and call for help if you can't. Very nice to have. Designed to make a difference. iPhone comes with privacy protections to help keep you in control of your data. It's made from more recyclable materials to minimize environmental impact, and it has built-in features that make iPhone more accessible to all. Comes with Apple Care warranty. Every iPhone comes with a 1-year limited warranty and up to 90 days of complimentary technical support. Get Apple Care Plus or Apple Care Plus with theft and loss to extend your coverage, so that's very nice to have. Specs. That's a fail. Sorry about that. So anyways, the iPhone 15 Pro Max is available in black titanium, white titanium, blue titanium, or natural titanium color options. There's your dimensions right there. The depth of the iPhone 15 Pro Max 0.32 inches, width 3.02 inches, height 6.29 inches. The iPhone 15 Pro Max weighs 7.81 ounces. It has some accessibility settings there. Wi-Fi has 5G Nest and Wi-Fi G Ultra Wideband. Has a built-in rechargeable lithium-ion battery. They need to flip that. The rear camera has a 48 megapixel main camera with f1.78 aperture, second generation sensor shift, optical image stabilization, 100% focus pixels, support for super high resolution photos. The front camera is a 12 megapixel ultra wide f2.2 aperture and 120 degrees field of view and 100% focus pixel. Okay, this shit's fucking confusing. So that's the I guess both of these are the rear camera. Both of these are the 48 megapixel and then the 12 megapixel. So both of these are the rear camera. So it's kind of confusing. They need to fix that. Anyways, you guys have 3 storage options: 256 gigs, 512 gigs, and 1 terabyte. iOS 17, of course. Super Retina XDR display, 6.7 inches. All-screen OLED display, 2796 by 1290 pixels with 120Hz refresh rate with permission technology. Video recording, 4K video recording at 24, 25, 30, and 60 frames. 1080p video recording at 25, 30, or 60 frames. 720p video recording at 30 frames per second. Video playback up to 29 hours. Usage time 95 hours of audio time. The front facing camera is 12 megapixels with f1.9 aperture true depth front camera. So yeah, they need to fix that so it doesn't confuse people. So yeah. If you guys need help with your iPhone 15 Pro Max, Verizon is here to help you out with that. Here it says here, Verizon Mobile Support helps you better understand your Verizon mobile device and other Verizon services. What comes with the iPhone 15 Pro Max is your iPhone 15. Oh, god damn it! Sorry about that. I don't know why it does that, but it is annoying as hell. So anyways, what comes with the iPhone 15 Pro Max is of course your iPhone 15 Pro Max USB-C charging cable. You guys will need a Type-C charging brick and your documentation, so you send stuff in the box there. So yeah, do you guys have it? The iPhone 15 Pro Max is now here at Verizon Prepaid. As I'm recording this video here, the iPhone 15 Pro Max is out of stock at Verizon Prepaid, so I don't know when it will be in stock. So yeah, so if you guys want like the best iPhone of 2023, here you guys get the iPhone 15 Pro Max. It has all the features that you guys want. The titanium, the big screen, the permission technology with the 120Hz refresh rate, the terabyte of storage. It has it all. The iPhone 15 Pro Max is the ultimate iPhone if you guys need to have if you guys had to have everything. It has all that. It also has the action button as well, so that is new to the iPhone 15 Pro line, so check that out. So yeah, so if you guys enjoyed this video, give me a thumbs up, guys. It helps me out a lot. Please rate, comment, subscribe. Thank you very much for watching my video, and I will catch you guys in the next one. Peace out.